Welcome to Professor Dr. Grace's graphic class. Please watch the ad until the end so you can receive better content. In this tutorial, I will show you how to separate heart and egg to make broken heart and broken egg. First, let's make a broken heart shape. Click the Fill Color icon in the Tools panel and press slash on the keyboard to remove the color. After selecting Pen tool, click on the heart to draw a line larger than the heart. Press V on the keyboard to select Selection tool. The line you just drew is like a knife. With only the line selected, select the Object, Path, Divide Objects below menu. Click on the Alt board to deselect. Click on the right broken heart and move it to see the heart separate. Now, let's make a broken egg. After selecting Pen tool, click on the egg to draw a line that acts like a knife that splits the egg larger than the egg. Press V on the keyboard to select Selection tool. With only the line selected, select the Object, Path, Divide Objects below menu. Click on the Alt board to deselect it. Select each egg and move it left and right to separate. And rotate the bounding box to rotate the broken egg. Select Pen tool and draw the back shape on each broken egg. Hold down Shift and select only the two objects you just drew, then right-click to select Arrange, Send to Back, or press the shortcut key Shift-Ctrl left bracket to send to back. With the Fill Color icon on the front, click the egg color in the swatches panel to make them slightly darker. As you've seen, rather than drawing broken heart and egg from the beginning using the pen tool, draw a knife line, select it, and then choose Object, Path, Divide Objects below. It is very efficient because you can easily create the shape you want by separating the objects below. I hope this tutorial has helped you to understand how to efficiently separate objects. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching Professor Dr. Grace's Illustrator lecture. Please watch the next video in order to follow all the courses without skipping a lesson. To keep learning and master Illustrator, please press the subscribe and the like buttons.